Hi everyone. This week we'll be looking at a new finger extension, the low first finger. Much like when we did the low second finger, the low first finger slides back away from the tape towards the scroll. We're going to start with some exercises where the violins, we're going to be using the low first finger on the A string. As you can see in the graphic, you're going to have space in between all three fingers. The only finger that is going to be on the tape on these exercises is the third finger. Cellos, for this exercise, you are going to be using the B flat on the G string using the low second finger. The first low one exercise is exercise number 92 in book number 2. The violins will start with the low first finger on the A string, making the note B flat, and you will play that for the first 3 measures. In the third measure, second note, you're going to play that C natural with the low 2 on the A string. In the last measure, you will play third finger on the tape, low 2, and then low 1 on the A string. Cellos, in exercise number 92 in book 2, you are going to be playing the low 2 on the G string for the B flat for the first 3 measures. In the third measure, second note, you're going to be playing that C natural with the fourth finger on the G string. And then in the last measure, you're going to play the open D string, fourth finger on the G string, and then low 2 on the G string. The next low 1 exercise, the violins will use the low first finger on the E string, making the note an F natural. For cellos, you're going to be doing the F natural on the D string using the low second finger. In exercise number 95 in book 2, the violins are going to start with the low first finger on the E string for the first 3 measures. Then on the second note of the third measure, violins will use the low second finger. And then in the last measure, you will play third finger on the tape, low 2, and then low 1, all on the E string. For the cellos, this exercise will be mostly on the D string with one open A at the end. The first 3 measures, you're going to play the F natural with the low 2 on the D string. Then in the third measure, second note, you're going to play that with the fourth finger on the D string. And then in the last measure, you will play the open A, then fourth finger on D, and then low 2 on D. In the next exercise, both violins and cellos will use the low first finger on the D string, creating the note E flat. So violins, you'll have the similar finger pattern that we saw on the A and the E strings. And cellos, you will be using the low first finger here. As you can see in the example, the first finger has reached back in what is called a backward extension. And we're still going to use the same symbol we used for the forward extension, the X. So here in exercise number 99 in book 2, the violins are going to start on the D string with the low first finger, creating the note E flat, and you're going to play that for the first 3 measures. Then the second note of the third measure, you're going to play that with the low 2 on the D string. Then in the final measure, you're going to play the third finger on the tape, low 2, and then low 1, all on the D string. For cellos, you're going to start with the low 1 or X1 on the D string for the first 3 measures. Then in the second note of the third measure, you'll play the F natural with the low 2 on the D string. And then in the last measure, you're going to play 4, low 2, and then low 1 on the D string. You'll be able to match your intonation to these notes with the audio files that will be attached. Thanks, everyone, and have a great day.